Hey everyone, today I'll be demonstrating the VEEAPE Multitool. This is just an unboxing and overview of the functionality. This is not a review. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. So included in the box, tucked away, is a brief instructional overview card of all the different tools that's available on this multi-tool. There are a total of 25 different tools packed into this little multi-tool here, and I'll be demonstrating each one of them individually in just a moment. So first, talking about this Paracord Bracelet, it has a buckle enclosure and it's not adjustable. Built into it, you see this protruding black part is actually a whistle, as underneath that is a little compass. Moving on to the holster for the multi-tool, you can see there's a loop here that you can loop it through your belt. Situated in the main compartment is of course the multi-tool itself, and then there's a small inner pocket that holds the bits. So running through the functionality of this multi-tool, if you extend both ends, you actually get the pliers as well as the wire cutter. So it has built-in long needle nose pliers as well as the normal short end pliers. Then further down you can see there is the indentation cutouts for the wire stripping elements. One half of the multi-tool has these three tools. It has a corkscrew so you can open your wine bottles with it. Then this next metal piece right next to it is the guard plate. You can use this if you want to kind of protect your fingers a little bit more when you're using the corkscrew. Otherwise, you could just leave it as is. And then tucked away on the side here, you can see there's a small indentation where you use your fingernail to pull it out, is a small wood saw. So with all the sharp objects in this tool, once it's in the fully open position, it's locked in place. And the way to retract it is you have to push against the black metal piece that's holding it in that locked position, like so. Pushing against this black piece while retracting the blade will put your fingers in a zone of danger, so do exercise extreme caution when retracting blades. On the flip side, there's also a couple more attachments built in. First of which is this knife, which opens very easily, and there's a smooth side towards the tips, and then there's also the serrated edge towards the hinge. And once again, because this is a sharp object, it is locked in place when it's in that fully open position. Once again, to retract it, you have to push against this black piece. Be very careful once again with your fingers while retracting it. This next part is actually a built-in scissors. For this to actually open properly, you have to open half of the multi-tool, and then you just go ahead, use the indentation there to push out the scissors. The next tool to pull out is this Phillips screwdriver head with a bottle opener base. You can see right there, very easy to pull out. And this is actually also the attachment that you would use to attach the bits. So pulling out the bit line up here, you have the little connection piece that will sit right on top of the Phillips head and then act as the base to attach the screwdriver bits. The bit heads are slightly magnetized so that they fit snugly and securely in the bits holder. And now the last thing I want to show you is how to pull out the ruler. So it's actually completely detachable if you perform these steps, which is you pull out the Phillips head and bottle opener attachment all the way, and you can see it unlocks the ruler attachment like this, and you just need to slide it off the base. So now you can use the ruler by itself without having to be attached to the bulkier part of the multi-tool. So that's exploring all the features of this multi-tool. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.